experiment, the stationary coin. This experiment will show you that how force of friction and inertia can help you to play a magical trick. Aim to remove paper from under a coin without making it fall. Things you will need: an old ₹5 coin and a rectangular strip of paper. Let's do it. Place the strip on the edge of a table and stand the coin on it. Hold the strip from the edge that is hanging down and pull it away fast from under the coin. You will be surprised to see that the coin remains standing. It does not fall even when the paper strip has been pulled away. When paper is pulled at a fast speed, not enough frictional force is generated between the paper and the coin to make it move. Hence, the coin stays standing. Question time! What will happen if the paper strip is pulled away slowly from under the coin? If the paper is pulled away slowly, frictional force generated between the paper and the coin will make the coin to fall.